Hey guys, this is Shelby's Adventures. I'm coming to you on a POV with my Mowrator 2-wheel drive. Right here I'm pulling it out of the shed and I'm pulling it around, and I'm just going to demonstrate going in between trees with it. In a second I'll be moving. This thing is pretty incredible. I really should have got the all-wheel drive, but I'm still pretty happy with this one. It's not a bad machine at all. I'm going through the backyard here, just kind of mosey on through here. I'll start up the blades, and we're going to go right through the trees here. And this is a demonstration of how you can go in between there. Now, I took all the sensors and hypersensors off, so the will not stop. There we go. Yep, going right into there. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm definitely going to bring more of this.